Hey there. If the sight of roaches terrifies you, you're not alone. A few years in a row, we had these wood roaches infesting the trees outside, and somehow they kept finding their way inside. Let's just say I definitely had a bit of PTSD when it comes to roaches. So if you've ever flipped on a light switch to see a roach scurrying away, you know the sheer horror of realizing they've moved in. But don't panic. Today I'm sharing 5 easy cleaning hacks to help you fight back and take your space back from these unwelcome guests. Trust me, these are tips you'll wish you knew sooner. You'll need to implement these 5 tips alongside a bait plan from a licensed exterminator. Many roaches are resistant to the store-bought baits, so you'll definitely want to work with a professional to get the good stuff. Anyway, let's dive into these 5 important roach fighting hacks. Hack number 1, clean your pet food bowls and don't leave food out. First up, if you have pets, you've got to pay close attention to their food bowls. Roaches love greasy residue, and those crumbs left behind are like a buffet. Here's what you do. Wash the pet bowls after each and every meal with hot and soapy water to remove any grease. If they have a raised feeder, don't forget to wipe that down too. Don't leave food sitting out overnight. If your pet doesn't finish their meal, store it in the fridge. Sweep and vacuum around the feeding area to pick up any stray bits. Roaches are opportunistic feeders, and this simple routine takes away one of their favorite snacks. Hack number 2, keep cat litter fresh. Seriously, it's important. Pet parents, this one's for you. Did you know roaches are attracted to dirty cat litter? The smell and any waste left behind can act like a neon-free buffet sign for them. Here's what you need to do. Scoop the litter every time your cat uses it. Yes, we did say every time. Regularly wash the box with hot soapy water and replace the litter entirely every week or so. Roaches are sneaky, but staying on top of this will keep them from turning your kitty's bathroom into their dining room. Hack number 3, seal up food in airtight containers. Store all food, and I mean all of it, in airtight containers or the fridge. Roaches have chewing mouth parts, so flimsy plastic packaging or even paper bags won't stop them. Here's how to get it right. Invest in glass or thick plastic airtight containers for dry goods like cereal, rice, and flour. Keep produce in the fridge rather than on the counter. Label and organize your pantry to make cleanups easier and spills less likely. This simple change not only keeps your food fresh, but makes your pantry a no-go zone for roaches. Take out the trash and keep the bin clean. Now let's talk trash. Overflowing bins are a paradise for roaches, so here's what you need to do. Empty the trash daily, especially if it contains food scraps. Use trash bags that seal tightly and tie them off before taking them out. Clean your trash can regularly with a disinfectant spray to remove any sticky residue or smells. Don't forget to clean the lid and the outside of the container as well. The goal, no food, no smells, no roaches. Hack number 5. This involves decluttering and deep cleaning hidden spaces. Last but not least, roaches thrive in cluttered, dark, and hidden spaces. It's time to reclaim those areas. Pull out your appliances and clean underneath and behind them. You'll be shocked at what you find, and so will the roaches. Declutter your shelves, drawers, and cabinets. Roaches love hiding in piles of paper, old boxes, and inside of drawers. Vacuum regularly, focusing on corners, cracks, and crevices where crumbs like to hide. This hack hits them where they think they're safe, and the results are so worth it. And there you have it, 5 easy cleaning hacks that will make your home way less appealing to roaches. Remember, consistency is key. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.